Do you love macrame but wish that some parts of it would be easier? Well, here are 5 simple items that will save you a lot of headaches while you knot. Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Els. I run a small handmade business in France making macrame, and right now I have a plant hanger to make. So I thought, why not take you along for the ride and show some of the tools that I use on a daily basis to make macrame. Number 1, a piece of scrap cord. I know a lot of people use S-hooks to hang their projects while they work, but they tend to move around a lot and they can also be quite noisy. I don't know about you, but I hate the sound of metal, and I have found that using a piece of leftover cord to hang my project makes it a lot more stable to work on, plus you don't have to have that annoying sound of metal every time you make a knot. Number 2, tape. An item you surely have lying around somewhere and that can save you a lot of time, especially when you're trying to add wooden beads to your macrame. If you're trying to get your cords through the beads, you will see that it is not that easy and they can start to unravel. But when you wrap the ends of your cords in a little bit of tape, it compresses them together and they become more stable. This makes it much easier to push them through the beads. Even if you're not adding beads, you can also attach tape to the end of your cords if you find that they unravel while you work. Number 3, a ruler or a tape measure. If you think of maybe recreating some of your projects in the future, I advise you to write down all your measurements so you can refer to them when needed. This is true for all your macrame projects, but it comes in especially handy when you want to make plant hangers. This way you can be sure that they fit the pot that you plan on putting in it. Number 4, a wool needle. This is a needle with a blunt end that you can use to tuck in the ends of your projects. For plant hangers, I don't always do this, but every time I make a wall hanging, I use a wool needle to tuck under the ends of the hanging cord. Number 5. Last but definitely not least, fabric scissors. You might think that regular scissors will do, and they probably will, but using fabric scissors will make your whole macrame journey a lot easier. They are made to cut through fabric, so when you cut your cords, it is much easier and the result will be cleaner. I know fabric scissors can be really expensive, but I bought mine in a sewing kit ages ago for less than 10 euros and I'm still using them. So these are 5 simple tools that will help you enjoy macrame a lot more. I hope these tips were helpful to you. If they were, please leave a like, and if you would like to see more content like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!